Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A36. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone. Then connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Now just connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Now after that, just release both of these buttons. Now, as you can see, we have successfully entered to the recovery mode. Now from here to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button and select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Now just press the power button to confirm Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Now just press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm Factory Data Reset. Now once this process is completed, just use the volume down or the volume up button to navigate the screen and select Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. Now, as you can see, this is how you can hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A36. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.